Good afternoon, folks. I'm out here, as usual, at the solarham.net, checking out the GOES magnometer, and it's really off the charts here. I mean, it's really shot up here in the last, I would say, a few hours. Trying to find the source, though. Here's what's making it to the ground base. Here's up in Anchorage. So we know that there's something going on. I'm not quite sure exactly, as we know that the solar forecast is said to be quiet. Um, there was this eruption over here, and is it Earth facing? We're getting some of that. I'm looking at the temps are low. Solar wind now is starting to take off. As you can see, it was down to 3 something. I think it's now starting to hit about 4. If you look over here, 391, and which is relatively calm. But you'll see the BZ index is at a negative 9.7, and down here we have some missing data. Okay, so not quite sure what's going on there as well. I'm trying to gather all the information I can. But look at that BZ index there, pushing into the red zone, folks, and with missing data here, some minor, sea flaring. I don't see anything going on with the protons so much. Well, there we got a spike there. Okay. Go down and see the line here. But everything there, just except for that spike here. You're looking at the time. A hell of a while ago, but I just cannot find what is bringing that BZ up. I know it's during the daylight hours. But these are satellites that are picking us up in space. I mean, sorry for the pause here. Like I said, I don't write a script. I'm really interpreting this live as we speak. Yeah, we definitely have some incoming here. See, the K index is a code that is related to the maximum fluctuations of horizontal components observed on the magnometer relative to a quiet day during a 3-hour interval. The conversion table for maximum fluctuation into K index varies from observatory to observatory, and that's a reason why I actually like the satellites, but I also like to take a look at what's going on down at the ground. Okay, it's good to take a look all over. So we don't got much facing the Earth today. This is the sun right now. Uh, got some sunspots. I don't believe that any of those are beta, gamma, delta, or anything. Let's see what we have here. They're all AAB. Those 3 that are facing us. Alpha, alpha, beta. No beta gammas or BGDs, beta, gamma, deltas. Expected to be quiet. There's no warnings that are out. Nothing to show that. We got the Emerald Spiral. Let's go ahead and take a look out there. I mean, let's see here, 26, 23. Hmm. Okay, now that's Earth, that's Earth, that's Earth, that's Earth. This shows incoming, but the date up here, if you notice the date and time, So we're looking at tomorrow. We're really getting a 1-2 whammy here. This could be it here, the onset. So if we're getting readings right now with the BC, whoa, sorry guys, let me scroll on over here for you. Whoa, that's about a negative 11, 12, you would think. Oh, negative 9, I'm sorry. There it is. These are all little indicators that we should all be paying attention to, folks. And like I said, go out here to solarham.net. It's got a lot of good consolidated stuff that takes you right to our government sourced websites and satellites, etc. And you can see that the high frequency is being affected a little bit. We had a little bit of a spike, but nothing major there. Well, that's my report. I just wanted you to get out here, take a look, and keeping an eye on what's going on really out there in space, because space weather equals Earth weather. Right now, I'm sitting in 100-degree heat here in Iowa at the end of August, and we should be actually experiencing 75 to 82, 75, 82 around there for seasonal. I'm not seeing a lot of temp though in here. We've got solar wind is picking up. Density is actually gone up since I've been doing this broadcast here. Very interesting, folks. And there's a departure here. Well, stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Take care.